Hi, friends. Welcome to Bright Learners. Today we'll learn 100 body actions in English. Let's get started. She blinks her eyes.
She blinks her eyes.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
He frowns at the news.
He frowns at the news.
They gaze at the stars.
They gaze at the stars.
He glances at his watch.
He glances at his watch.
He nods in agreement.
He nods in agreement.
He peeks through the door.
He peeks through the door.
She raises her eyebrows.
She raises her eyebrows.
She rolls her eyes.
She rolls her eyes.
She smiles happily.
She smiles happily.
He squints in the sun.
He squints in the sun.
She stares at the painting.
She stares at the painting.
He winks at me.
He winks at me.
She bites the watermelon.
She bites the watermelon.
He blows his nose.
He blows his nose.
I breathe in.
I breathe in.
I chew my food.
I chew my food.
She coughs twice.
She coughs twice.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
I gargle with water.
I gargle with water.
She hums a tune.
She hums a tune.
She kisses the baby.
She kisses the baby.
He laughs at the joke.
He laughs at the joke.
He licks his ice cream.
He licks his ice cream.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I open my mouth.
I open my mouth.
She pouts her lips.
She pouts her lips.
She screams in fear.
She screams in fear.
She shouts for her team.
She shouts for her team.
He sighs sadly.
He sighs sadly.
She sips her coffee.
She sips her coffee.
I sneeze from dust.
I sneeze from dust.
He snores at night.
He snores at night.
I speak English.
I speak English.
The baby sucks milk.
The baby sucks milk.
I swallow the medicine.
I swallow the medicine.
We talk for a while.
We talk for a while.
I whisper it to you.
I whisper it to you.
He whistles a song.
He whistles a song.
He yawns loudly.
He yawns loudly.
I carry the baby.
I carry the baby.
He catches the ball.
He catches the ball.
I clap my hands.
I clap my hands.
I cover my face.
I cover my face.
I drop my sandwich.
I drop my sandwich.
He flicks the marbles.
He flicks the marbles.
I floss my teeth.
I floss my teeth.
I fold my arms.
I fold my arms.
I grab my bag.
I grab my bag.
I hug him.
I hug him.
I hold my breath.
I hold my breath.
I knock on the door.
I knock on the door.
He lifts the weight.
He lifts the weight.
I pat the dog.
I pat the dog.
She pinches my cheek.
She pinches my cheek.
I point to the map.
I point to the map.
She pulls the wagon.
She pulls the wagon.
He punches the bag.
He punches the bag.
He pushes the box.
He pushes the box.
She reaches for the book.
She reaches for the book.
I rub my eyes.
I rub my eyes.
He scratches his head.
He scratches his head.
We shake hands.
We shake hands.
He shoots the ball.
He shoots the ball.
She slaps the table.
She slaps the table.
He snaps his fingers.
He snaps his fingers.
I squeeze the lemon.
I squeeze the lemon.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I stroke the cat.
I stroke the cat.
He throws the ball.
He throws the ball.
She tickles me.
She tickles me.
She touches the dolphin gently.
She touches the dolphin gently.
He tugs the rope.
He tugs the rope.
He twists the cap.
He twists the cap.
I wave goodbye.
I wave goodbye.
I climb the tree.
I climb the tree.
The baby crawls on the grass.
The baby crawls on the grass.
We dance.
We dance.
I hop on one foot.
I hop on one foot.
I jog every morning.
I jog every morning.
He jumps over the puddle.
He jumps over the puddle.
He kicks the soccer ball.
He kicks the soccer ball.
I kneel on the floor to play.
I kneel on the floor to play.
He limps home.
He limps home.
The soldiers march in a line.
The soldiers march in a line.
He runs on the treadmill.
He runs on the treadmill.
She skips away.
She skips away.
She slides across the ice.
She slides across the ice.
He sprints to the finish.
He sprints to the finish.
He squats down for the toys.
He squats down for the toys.
She stomps her feet.
She stomps her feet.
We stroll in the park.
We stroll in the park.
I tiptoe quietly.
I tiptoe quietly.
I trip over a stone.
I trip over a stone.
I walk to school.
I walk to school.
I bend down and pick it up.
I bend down and pick it up.
I bow to the audience.
I bow to the audience.
I crouch under the table.
I crouch under the table.
I dive into the pool.
I dive into the pool.
He falls off his bicycle.
He falls off his bicycle.
He hides behind the bushes.
He hides behind the bushes.
I lean on the wall.
I lean on the wall.
I lie on the bed.
I lie on the bed.
I rest on the couch.
I rest on the couch.
He rides his bicycle.
He rides his bicycle.
She shivers with cold.
She shivers with cold.
He shrugs his shoulders.
He shrugs his shoulders.
I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
I stand up.
I stand up.
I sweat after exercise.
I sweat after exercise.
I swim in the pool.
I swim in the pool.
I turn around.
I turn around.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.